Hi guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Technique Tuesday. We're doing another cha-cha styling video. This time we're gonna do the 5th position breaks, which if you wanna learn that pattern step by step, go ahead to our website. So we're gonna focus on the arms today. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. So obviously we're in position for the first one. Then as we open up, we extend our arm out and to the side, very similar to our crossover. And then if we were to end it, we just come back into dance position. You could continue it, but today we're just gonna talk about it the way that we kind of teach it on our channel. So if we just start from this position, we're in a kind of different dance position, right? The hand is lowered, but our other arm is here. Our elbow is already bent, so we're gonna continue the elbow bent. As we flip back, we're gonna flip the hand and the wrist away from the camera, so away from yourselves. So don't have it up, don't have it towards the camera. You wanna have it ideally back and away. If that's too much on your wrist, you can always go a little bit down, but definitely not facing us because there's just something different about the arm that looks like that. So if we do that again, all together, we open up and flip, and then you can reverse it for coming in, and then right now we're going into dance position, okay? Let's do that maybe from the back. We open, we flip, we come back, cha-cha-cha. Okay, there's many different ways to do this. For the 5th position break in cha-cha, we try to make sharp staccato movements, even with our styling, so that's why we chose to do it this way. But in rumba, we're gonna have a different styling video in the future. That being said, if you want more details, you can actually go to our crossover video because we do spend a little bit more time, but that's the easiest way that you can kind of do it, make it pretty, make it match your partner. Okay guys, be sure to head to our website, ballroomfeed.com if you haven't yet, where we have all this and much more on there, so go check it out, and be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what you wanna see next, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.